Hi and welcome to my video on how to crochet a sunflower scrunchie. So this is what we're going to be making today. So you're going to want to start with a slip knot. And now have the yarn behind the bobble and the hook in front. And we're going to pop the hook through and we're going to do a chain stitch. Then we're going to do 2 more chain stitches. Now you need to do a double crochet. Keep doing double crochets all the way around until you reach the beginning. You don't need to count how many stitches, but ideally you need an even number, but it's fine if you get an odd number, don't worry. Right, pause the video here and play again when you get all the way around doing your double crochets. Now it's time to chain stitch both ends together. Knot off the ends. The next stitch is a bubble stitch. It'll go in between each of these gaps that you can see here. If you're not sure how to get to these gaps, pull it apart like this and you can see in between each one. So you start by doing 3 chain stitches. Now you're going to put the hook through the same gap and pull the yarn up to the same height as the 3 chain stitches and repeat it 2 more times. You should have 7 loops on your hook. Pull the yarn through all 7 loops. This can be a bit tricky and you may need to redo the stitch if it doesn't work, like mine hasn't here. I've left this in the video purposely to show you that it can be a bit tricky at times, and yeah, you just need to redo it. Once you've pulled it through, you need to do a chain stitch. You're going to miss a gap and go into the next one. And then repeat the same bubble stitch. This time you'll only have 6 loops on your hook. The reason for this is that you're missing your first 3 chains off this one, whereas the other one you had 3 chains to start off with. So on all the rest of the bubbles you should only have 6 loops on your hook. Keep going all the way around with the bubble stitch in every other gap. This is why it's better if you have an even number of stitches, but if you do have an odd number, it's fine. Just on the last stitch, you just have a closer gap together. After your last bubble stitch, you need to chain both ends together. And then tie it off. Now it's time for the petals. So you need to change stitch 2 and then do 1 triple crochet. Then chain stitch 2 again. At the base of the chain, you'll see these 2 loops. This is what you need to go into next, and then chain 1. Do 1 triple crochet now. Then you need to do 1 double crochet. Then, going into the next gap, do a chain stitch. Now repeat those steps. So you need to chain 2, do 1 triple crochet, chain 2, chain 1 in the double loops, one triple crochet, one double crochet, then chain into the next loop. So I'll go through it once more time. Chain 2, 1 triple crochet, chain 2, then chain into the double loops, do 1 triple crochet, do 1 double crochet, then chain into the next gap. You want to repeat this all the way around again. So pause this video and I'll meet you when you're all the way around. Now you want to chain both ends together by going into the bottom of your first petal and then tie it off. Now enjoy your beautiful sunflower scrunchie. So if you've enjoyed this tutorial, I'm doing one a week. So if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get alerts whenever I upload a new video. So subscribe here, watch my latest video here, and look at my crochet playlist here. Thanks for watching, see you next time.